This is the suspension of a real car and I wanted to recreate it, so I 3D printed this. It might just seem like a random bunch of parts, but with some minor assembly, we get this. A suspension piece that gets stuck and then explodes. But that problem was easily fixed with just some oil. And for a final test, we tried it on a Lego car and it worked pretty well. The only real issue was the attachment. The bottom one worked well, but on the top it was a bit too wide, so we had to use a 2-piece wide gap to fit it in, which meant that it was kind of loose, but at least it works. Okay, so it turns out that Lego actually has a suspension piece already, and I even think I have one. But just look at the price of these. It's at least $1, but then you also have a $7 service fee. So I'll say our design was definitely worth it.